Yeah, here we have a Powermatic 18-inch variable speed drill press. This drill press is used. It does operate, however, there's a couple parts missing for the drive. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here. Looks like there's a collar missing. Okay, we're going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. The motor operates. It makes somewhat of a noise, but I'll also show you some other electrical features here. So the motor sounds okay, and everything turns on here. This is your variable speed drive right here. Okay, if you turn this, yeah, it goes to 400 there. It goes back. Also has a laser and a lamp. Some nice LED lights there. Okay, there's your laser. Boom. Shut the unit off. So it appears that most of the parts are here. It does show some signs of use. We're going to go over here. We're going to show you. Here's the table. There's your base. And there's your post. It comes with the mounting brackets. Okay. Here's your handles. Here's your other drive and your pulley, your springs, and your retainer here. It's just missing the collar. This is the knob for the speed control. And there's your worm gear and handle for your table. So you go up and down. Okay, it comes with a drill chuck, JT3 taper, one of the cover screws is missing. And we thank you for looking at our product.